Today I am creating a follow-up video to my vent valve on the 2012 Mustang. This also affects other year models as well, 12, 13, 14, 11. And as you can see, this is a different valve. It's a nipple where that goes on, and then the actual breather part is in the plastic piece, which incidentally I've kind of wondered if you couldn't take the original cap off and put it on there, so it'd be metal. But in any event, a lot of people have expressed concerns about that melting, but other people have installed this and had no issues with that being underneath there. So that's your part number. I'll put that in the description below so you can click on that and order it. Again, I already replaced the vent valve with a brand new one. It still leaked, which obviously what that means is it's a actual design flaw with this vent valve that's on the actual axle on the driver's side. Now onto the install. Before we start, this is as is. Use plenty of precautions when you're working with your car. If you don't know what you're doing, take it to a mechanic. This is the vent valve that was in the last video. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that's built up on it already. We're just basically going to take a wrench and counterclockwise and remove that vent cap. And then this replacement is going to go in its place. The directions tell you to clean off the axle, what you want to do, but make sure you do it with a rag. Don't spray anything on it, or those cleaners can get down into the axle because your cover's off. I'm even going to take the dry paper towel down into there. Just make sure you don't leave any of it behind. Get all that cleaned out real good. Notice I'm wiping away from the hole. There we go, much better. Next thing we're going to do is obviously put this back on. Just make sure you get that hand tightened first. Now we're going to install this, and the white cap's going to be facing upwards. Make sure you get it on there good. When you install this, you're going to want to clip it onto something. I have the Ford Performance cover, so it doesn't clip onto the actual differential cover itself, so I had to clip it up here. Just make sure you keep it away from the muffler. The heat will not hurt it, according to other users who've installed this already, so don't worry about that. Just keep it away from it as much as possible. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel to help others find it. And like I said, the links to the products to purchase are in the comments below, and it also helps support my channel as well if you purchase through those links. Thank you.